Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I was working on the sound system again, and you can see me moving around the left and right and front to the back just to see which speakers are working well. I'm going to be working on the top right hand side, which is the driver's side speakers. So I'll have to remove this panel, and there's a screw hidden underneath here, and there's another little screw hidden underneath here. So we need to get those out before we can move the panel altogether. Once we've done that, we can remove it from the bottom and pull it out with little by little. This little bit where the original tweeters house, that just pulls away, and you want to remove that straight away. And then we can get to this panel. So we will need a set of trim removers to get into access. Now this bit just clicks out, and there's the screw there, and basically you have to pull that out to move that. The next bit was over here, which is a screw hidden down here, and just to get yourself a nice angle, so that little bit can lift up with a trim remover or a very thin straight edge screwdriver. There you have it, little screw there, and that needs to come out as well. So once you've got those two screws out, you can get your trim remover. Start from the bottom and just put these two trim removers in and just lever them up, and you'll see little poppers where they're located, and they will just pop out quite easily. And just work around, and that will allow you to free up, but take your time, don't try and force it. The whole thing will then pop out, and you'll have some electrical connectors at the back which you need to disconnect before you can remove the trim. So you'll also, those are the poppers here. So that's the one for the light in the bottom right hand side, and these two just disconnect. You basically push the ball out and push the little plastic bits out. You'll see they just slide out, and the balls just clip off as well. Okay, here's the connector which connects onto the windows, etc. And also, as I mentioned, you will have the little light one at the bottom. When you try and do the light one there at the bottom, what I find is there's a wee clip there. Then you press that, but just lean the panel against the inside door, and that gives you a little degree of stability. So that's it, done.